So how are you going to delete your video in YouTube? So this is what you're going to do. You cannot delete it yet. You cannot delete it here. So once you uploaded that video, you cannot delete it here. So what you're going to do is go to your YouTube analytics and then select the video that you want to delete, for example this one, and then go to video analytics. I mean, no, click that button, this one, this pencil, and then go to advanced settings and then delete from YouTube. So that is how you're going to delete the video.